Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Bitcoin wallet address on Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc exchange, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here you need to select deposit option and from here select on-chain deposit. After that, in this search bar you need to search for BTC and select Bitcoin. Now here you need to choose a network. We choose Bitcoin BTC network and always make sure to select same network on the both side or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now select Bitcoin BTC and here you can see your Bitcoin wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Bitcoin wallet address on Mexc exchange. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.